If you have been finding it difficult to log in successful into your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app with your WeChat account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply log in successful into your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app from your WeChat account without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply log into your Pinduoduo shopping app with your WeChat account without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WeChat app. I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is there are two ways to have access to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app with your WeChat account. One of the first way is to simply go to me right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and click on Buy Together. Then instantly you will be connect and log in successful to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So you can simply click on here to fill your profile. Just like what you see right here. Here is my profile with my name right here. Then you can click on here to read some of the charts you have in your Pinduoduo app. So if you have any chart, it's going to be found right here. So let's go back. So this is one of the first way to access your Pinduoduo app in WeChat. The second way that I would like to show you here is if you click on Discover right here, then under Discover, you go to Mini Programs. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Recently Used. Then under the Recently Used right here, click and scroll down and you see your Pinduoduo icon right here. Click on the Pinduoduo logo. Then it takes you to your Pinduoduo app just like so. Then you can navigate right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply access your Pinduoduo app without any stress with your WeChat account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And for more tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.